I chose WKU because I love the campus and all of the opportunities that are here. I chose psychology because I started as an education major and I liked how I could be an influence on students, but I found that in psychology and as a future therapist, I have more impact working one-on-one with clients. I took a semester off from WKU and I went part-time to live at home and go to treatment myself for my eating disorder, and so I have had lots of therapists and I look up to them, and I want to be able to do that because they've all supported me in such a way that has been impactful. There are lots of students that struggle with disordered eating or eating disorders, and it can feel really lonely. So coming back and being able to talk about my own recovery has really shown me that I'm not alone, and it also opens the doors for other people to know that they're not alone. Last fall, I had the opportunity to be an intern at the Talley Family Counseling Center in Gary Ransdell Hall, and so I've gotten to learn from the graduate interns down there and their supervisors so that I can learn all the different theories I was learning in class and also be in supervision and things that I'll be doing as a therapist as well. I've found lots of ways to be involved at WKU. My favorite one is Dance Big Red. We raise money for Norton Children's Hospital throughout the year, and we have a 6-hour dance marathon at the end. I used to be a dancer, so I always say that I dance for the kids that can't. The impact that I would like to leave here at Western is that there's a community that loves you and accepts you for who you are, and there's also a place for you. And if there's something that you are interested in, then bring it. If there's something that has impacted you before, bring that too, because there's always opportunity for growth, and everybody here wants you to grow into the person that will succeed and just do great things.
1, 2, 3,
I would most definitely not be the person that I am today if I didn't come here. WKU was my #1 from my junior year of high school. When I first came and I saw the campus, I knew that this was where I wanted to be. I can't imagine going anywhere else or receiving the love and support anywhere else, even amidst all of my changing of majors or anything else going on. Like, everything that I've experienced here at WKU has made me who I am.